Jody for the Feedback Society, and I want to introduce you to a great Batman book. This is The Long Halloween. If you love Batman, but maybe you've only seen the movies and you're like, well, where the heck do I jump in because there's a gajillion comics? This is a great standalone graphic novel that anybody can enjoy. Basically, it goes over the course of a year, and there's a serial killer who is murdering people on holidays. And there's this whole under thing with all these gangs and mafioso types, and they're trying to like figure out, are they doing this to like clean the streets up? Are they doing this to like turf war? What the heck is happening? And then there's all these other good relationship things happening. So I'm not going to tell you too much about it, except that it's a great standalone book. It's Batman, so you can't go wrong. The artwork is great, but the storytelling is even better. So pick up this book. Again, The Long Halloween